Signing up for paperless billing with Truckee Meadows Water Authority is a quick and easy process. It just takes a few clicks and we'll stop sending a printed bill in the mail and replace it with a monthly email notification letting you know your bill is ready for viewing online. Here's how you do it. Go to TMWA.com and click the Pay My Bill link on our homepage. This will take you to the My Account login page on myaccount.tumwa.com. Enter your username and password and click Login. Once you are logged in, click Bills and Payment on the left-hand menu. When you get to the Bills and Payment page, click the Paperless Bills button on the right side of the screen. A pop-up window will appear letting you know you are leaving the site and going to our external Invoice Cloud page where you can set your billing preferences. Click Continue. Next, you will see our Paperless Billing Sign-up page. Just click the Yes selection below the little green leaf. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box, and then save your changes. It's that easy. You're done. Sign up for paperless billing today and make your desk a little less cluttered while making the world just a little bit greener. Thank you.